What's up, everybody? Here I am in front of my 98 Chevy C1500. I just got done installing this side for the vent visor, and I'm just making sure it's all in there nice and real good. I ended up buying the ones just for the two front doors because they were a lot cheaper, but if you have an extended cab or a crew cab, you can get little visors that go over here, which I ended up buying the ones for the extended cab to replace my broken ones that I've had on here before. Because I only use these doors anyway, no one hardly sits back there to begin with. So I'm getting ready to put the next one on, the one on the driver's side. I got it all cleaned up. Before you put them on, you might want to go ahead and clean it up real good enough so you could be able to install these little vent visors to kind of match with my bug shield. So yeah, I bought these brand new, but you can get them like on eBay or any automotive auto parts store, anywhere, because these are really popular to begin with. So they do have a little bit of adhesive that sticks on there, so you probably gotta wait a few minutes to let it stick on there real good. So yep, so let me go ahead and apply them on there, and I'll show you what it looks like after. Alright, got them both installed. Like I said, this is the one on the passenger side. It's already looking good, but hopefully it'll stick on there real good. This is the one on the driver's side, since I put it on. What I did to get all the glue from the old ones, I took some Goo Gone and I soaked it real good, and it got all that old glue and adhesive off. Talk about it, this thing came out pretty nice, and it's stuck on there real good. You just gotta reinforce it every now and then to kind of stick on there real good. Looks, matches my little bug reflector on my hood on my 98 Chevy C1500. But yep, you can get these for any 88, 98, and 99 classic full-size pickup, as well as the 92, 99 full-size SUVs for the front doors, and as well as for the 2000 classic crew cabs and some of the full-size SUVs branched off the GMT 400 platform. But overall, it looks really good. So yeah, I hope this little video helped you guys out, and thanks for watching.